So we got a 1999 f350 Super Duty with a major rust problem. Believe it or not, this thing's only got 40,000 miles. Northeast rust. It was a plow truck. I used it just for plowing. And yeah, so my father-in-law bought this and was like, I want to swap the frame. So we're doing a frame swap. Right in the driveway. Redneck style. So you're using the gantry, jack, engine hoist, and these lifts. Yep, and pulling it because the brakes are rusted up, locked up. Yep, and I'll show you the frame. We got this is the frame that's going on there from Alabama. Rust free. He's got some surface. Yeah, it looks good. Surface rust, but nothing crazy. As you see. Did you buy these?
Buy what? No, they don't have a run.
Really?
I hit them with a wire brush.
You haven't sandblasted it yet?
No, not yet.
Wow.
No, Brenda's supposed to give me a couple of these wire wheels because I wore this one right out. Of course, I've had it for years. But yeah.
So, Pop, what do you think of your project?
I think it would have been easier and cheaper to buy a brand new truck.
Yeah, but you know what? This is a 99 with 40,000 miles, clean title. If you swap all this over, if you have the talents.
This is the job you do when you're 35 or 40. This isn't the job you do when you're 65 going on fucking 110.
Yeah, okay. Don't listen to him, guys. He's only 45 years old.
Yeah. My sneakers are that old.
Look at that. Yeah, this one came from Alabama. No rust. Just surface rust. Grind all that shit off. And you got, yeah, this is going to be, that gantry is impressive.
Yeah, that thing worked out good, huh?
Yeah, it did. It really did. I can't believe the rust that came off this truck, man. Rust everywhere. Built for itself.